Gorgeous home in an established neighborhood, half acre, lovely landscaping, west/25 by 33 detached garage/workshop, heated/cooled. Wood floors, no carpet, ceramic in wet areas and neutral colors. Cozy living room with fireplace, sitting/office area, isolated master west/access to back patio. Spacious kitchen west/movable island, new granite and backsplash, 2-year-old appliances, cabinets refaced. Upstairs 3 bedrooms are large and one could be used as second master. Beautiful view from back patio with pergola, majority of foliage comes back yearly, trees, maple, sweet gum, crepe myrtle, 5 Yoshino cherry. No HOA, roof 14 years old, HVAC's approximately 10 years old, of storage in attic and above detached garage.